Alright folks, today we're unboxing the TSProf 360 Blitz Black Edition from the Gritomatic website. This is the kit that they sell, and then I've ordered a couple other stones with it. Alright. Pretty well packaged here. These are the stone holders I ordered. And here's the actual sharpener. And then these are probably the extra stones that I ordered. Put together pretty well. Nothing's moving around, so that's good. Okay, so first we're going to open up the sharpener here. Instruction manual. Alright. Just going to start pulling stuff out here. I think that's actually it. Yep, everything fits nicely in the styrofoam cutout. So, like that. Probably gonna save this and reuse it, honestly. Okay. Bunch of screws, couple little Allen wrenches. And then here's the digital angle gauge. These are pretty much all the same. You can go buy one at Home Depot. This one just says Gritomatic on it, but they all do the same thing. They're probably all made by the same people, honestly. So I'm going to have to read through this manual here to get this put together for the first time. But before I do that, I'm going to open up these stones here. Oh, that's cool. They're all individually packed. That's nice. Okay, let's see what we got here. So, this is an extra one I ordered. I ordered the silicone carbide set, and it comes with 5 stones, and then I ordered a couple extras. And one of them was this diamond 60 grit stone for reprofiling. And then here's the one, the silicone carbide. This is the 1000, 2500, 600, 220, 120, and then these are the other ones. These are the Shapton Pro stones I ordered. And that's one of the things I like about this system is these are actually for an Edge Pro. But anything from Edge Pro or TSProf or the half stone system fits this sharpener. So any of those stones will fit it. And so it kind of opens up the selection. So Shapton Pro is one of the best stones you can buy for sharpening. And this is the 8000 grit, and then this is the 5000. And then they do offer a 12,000, but I didn't get it right now. I'm going to see how the 8000 does for getting the finishes that I want. So there are the stones. I like how these are all packaged and they all have their own. They're not rubbing together or anything, they all have their own whole package. It's nice. Everything is made for Gritomatic specifically. But beautiful stones, and like I said, it's really well put together. So next thing I'm going to show you that I ordered here from them is, and I ordered one for my brother because he has a similar setup. These are like 23 bucks for this size. This holds 12 stones, and it's just a little stone holder that they have on their website, just a way to keep your stuff organized. It's not too bad. It's definitely, like I said, it's cheap. It's just 23 bucks, but it's a way to keep all your stones in one place. So I'm actually going to put some in here. There's the 600. Oh yeah, that's nice. So these actually have cutouts. You can see the little cutout for the end piece here. It just slides right in on both sides, and then it's not moving around at all. That's nice and secure. Yeah, I like that. That'll keep them safe so they don't get damaged. So there's a couple stones put in there. That's 8 of them, and I like how, like I said, there's very little movement. Oh, there's magnets on there too to keep it closed on this lid, so that's nice. I don't think you can turn upside down. It probably would pop open, but it's got vents in the side so they can dry out because these are wet stones. So yeah, for 23 bucks, I'm impressed. I would definitely buy another one and recommend that. So that's my unboxing of this TSProf from Gritomatic and the setup that they have, and I'm gonna read the directions and go through it and start assembling it here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you can see the next video where I assemble this.